What's up guys, Bronze Tech here with a new unboxing. The shiny box of the ROG Zephyrus G15, and it comes in this cool like half white box. So super excited to unbox it, and you know, this is the one I've been waiting for, QHD. So you're gonna see initial reactions, and let's just open it up. Oh, need scissors for this. All right, get my sharp keys. Now I just voided my warranty. Just kidding. All right. Usually when you open these, the laptop lifts up, but so let's see if that happens. Yes, and that does happen. Oh, let me get you guys in the light. There it is. Lifts up, typical of the ROG Zephyrus line. Such a great idea. So you can easily like take it out. Okay, first initial impressions of weight, kind of heavy, about probably 4.7 pounds. Definitely heavier than electronics, but it does feel sturdy. And this is a brand new unit, so looks kind of brown too. But let's keep let's remove the film. All right, let's move the box out of the way. So yeah, the box again, always pretty. And then you got your standard, probably 230 watt power brick. Probably comes with I think the AC port is on the side, but we'll get into that later. Does anything come in here? No, probably just the manual box. Cool. Pretty standard from Asus. Same thing from their last year, the M15 and their G14. Unboxed those as well. Here it is. All right, I probably need another hand to no, I could probably do this with one hand. Again, I really have been waiting for a QHD laptop for the longest time, so definitely worth the extra money for the better screen. Obviously, Lenovo is coming out with the 500 nit 1440p display. That's going to be the one that's going to be you know, the one that I probably might upgrade again for. But yeah, this will have to do for now, and I should be happy with this one. Look at the grill. The grill is dope. It looks like a pattern. Hopefully that spells good performance. Wow, okay. The lid is nice. It feels sturdy. Feels just like the G14. It's got a nice logo right here. All right, let's take out this plastic first. Okay, it kind of has this bronze laptop. Really nice finish. I really like it. Good job, Asus. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Okay, so it doesn't have the soft touch material that I really love in laptops, and that's kind of disappointing. You can't get everything that you want, huh? Dang it. But it has a nice glass trackpad. Wow. The trackpad is really nice. That's like MacBook style trackpad. Holy carumbo. Can't cuss on YouTube. Okay, and I like the keyboard. So good things. So it has everything I want. Specs, screen, and you know, I'll go more into detail in my later video, but it has specs, screen, and I guess beggars can't be choosers, because the soft touch material is something that will be in the Lenovo Legion coming out in June. So I think that is the holy grail for me. So until the review, guys, make sure to subscribe and like, and yeah. Peace out.